In this Monday makeup lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to recreate this makeup look. If you're new to the Makeup Chair channel, then click subscribe below. It's totally free. And if you're already subscribed, then thank you and welcome back. Hope you enjoy this look, and let's get started. For this look, you will need a medium to small eye makeup brush. I'm using the E85 by Blank Canvas Cosmetics, and this is somewhere between a pencil brush and a blending brush, like if they had a baby. That's what it would look like. You'll also need a clean blending brush too. And the palette that I'm using for today's video is the Fenty Beauty Cool palette. I've already created a look using the warm version of this palette, and I want to create two different looks. So I'm going to be creating one with just the top row, which has a pale shimmer, a matte, and then a darker shimmer. I've already primed my lids with an eyeshadow primer, and we're going to start with that matte shade and apply this using the pencil brush. And we're applying this into the crease of the eye. So the crease of the eye is where the eyelid creases into the eye shape, but really refers to any area above this. Now this is a great look for hooded eyes because we're going to disguise the hood with this medium shade. But remember to keep within the lines of your eye shape, using the edge of your nose, eye, and brow as a guide, blending inwards. And you should end up with something that looks like this. Next, take your blending brush. This should be your clean blending brush, and just blend out any harsh lines, blending over and back, and then bringing it slightly higher as you go. I'm also using the shade on the outer edge of the lower lid to create some framework. Keeping with that same brush, I'm going to take this shimmer and apply this on the inner half of the lid, keeping this just to the lid. Then applying the darker shade on the outer half of the lid. A little trick is to take a bit of that matte shade and apply this all over the lid. Sometimes I don't like my lid to be too shimmery, especially for day to day. So just hold the brush really far down the handle, don't apply too much pressure, and apply the matte shade everywhere. Once I achieve a soft blend, I finish with mascara and lashes, and that's the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also check out more of the videos on the screen now, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And I look forward to welcoming you back soon.